Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Audi A3 Sport Sportback. This car comes with a 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 60 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 24 and the car's covered just over 32,000 miles and comes with full service history from Audi. This particular colour is the Metallic Mythos Black and looks in really good condition for the age of mileage. As we look inside, you have the typical Audi build quality there. So everything feels nice and solid. The seats are really comfortable, and these are the sport seats as well. There's an armrest there in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you have your pop-up display, which comes out the dashboard for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has cruise control, as well as climate control, automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you've got your folding electric mirror switch and your four window controls. In the 5-door version, you have good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and there's also 2 air vents there for the rear passengers. And it's good to see that the car's still got the original Audi carpet floor mats too. And opening the tailgate reveals the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then you also have the adjustable floor, which is at its highest point at the moment, but you can lower it to increase the volume. And below that, you also have your space saver wheel. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the alloy wheels, which are a 5-spoke, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.